Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kuch to Mila. IRCTC announces Bharat Gaurav Navratri special tourist train to Katra. Package will be of 4 nights and 5 days. Watch the video till the last for complete details about train fare, itinerary, etc. Navratri 2022 is just around the corner, and in case you are willing to visit Maa Vaishno Devi Shrine, IRCTC has got the right package for you. Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation has come up with a smart and affordable package, which would help you reach Katra, worship the Vaishno Devi Shrine and return. Named Navratri Special Maa Vaishno Devi Yatra Tour, this package is for 4 nights and 5 days. The tour will be provided by the Bharat Gaurav Tourist train. The tour will begin on 30th September 2022. Those willing to travel should note that the Bharat Gaurav train will originate from Delhi and will terminate at Katra railway station. The Bharat Gaurav train will cover the mentioned railway stations, from where tourists will be allowed to deboard Delhi, Ghaziabad, Meerut, Muzaffarnagar, Saharanpur, Ambala, Sirhind, Ludhiana. Vaishno Devi Package IRCTC Itinerary Complete Schedule. Day 1. The train will originate from Delhi SAFDARJUNG at 7 p.m. Tourists will be on board the train overnight, wherein they will be served dinner. Day 2. The train will reach Katra railway station at 10 a.m. During the morning hours, tourists will be served breakfast on board the train. Upon arrival, tourists will be taken to their respective hotels. Packed lunch will be served in the hotels. Post-lunch, tourists will begin the Maa Vaishno Devi trek. Pilgrims will spend the night in Katra. Day 3. At Katra, pilgrims will worship the Maa Vaishno Devi Shrine. Overnight stay in Katra. Day 4. Packed breakfast and lunch will be provided at the hotels. Pilgrims will then check out from hotels and will be taken to Katra railway station. The train to Delhi will depart at 4 p.m. Dinner will be served during overnight train journey. Day 5. Morning tea, packed breakfast will be served on board the train. The train will arrive at Delhi SAFDARJUNG railway station. Vaishno Devi Package IRCTC. What all will be included? Train journey by Bharat Gaurav Special Tourist Train in 3 AC class. 2 night stays at standard hotels in Katra. On board train meals, vegetarian only. Off board meals as per itinerary, vegetarian only. Railway station to hotel transfer. Travel insurance for passengers. Services of tour escort throughout the tour. On-train security. All applicable taxes. Vaishno Devi Package IRCTC. What all will not be included? Any room service. There will be extra charges. Cost of sightseeing, entry, local guides, etc. Any personal expenses, laundry, mineral water, food, drinks, etc. Anything not included in the inclusions. Vaishno Devi Package IRCTC. What to carry? Voter ID or Aadhaar card, COVID-19 final dose certificate, hard copy or in phone. Arogya Setu app should be installed on your phone. Face masks, hand gloves and sanitizers and emergency contact number. Vaishno Devi Package IRCTC ticket price. Single ticket 13,790 rupees. Double triple sharing ticket 11,990 rupees. Child 5 to 11 years 10,795 rupees. And this contact number has been given to help you guys. So friends, this was the information about this tour package. If you like the video, then please do not forget to subscribe, like and share this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.